A very good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jetly with you. I know it's been a while since I've released a video. Just been busy with a lot of things, and as most of you would be knowing, I have moved from India. Currently, I'm in Dubai. So far, things are going pretty good. So I thought might as well get back and focus more on my YouTube channel. Just grow it little by little. And anyway, without further ado, let's start with this weekly analysis. Now, if you were in my Telegram channel, PatternsFx, you would have made use of the gold signal that was given, and a lot of people actually sent me their screenshots of the results that they have done, and I've also shared it in my Telegram channel. Just feel free to check out my Telegram channel, though it's it's not too big of a group. I've just started, and yeah, let's take it from there. This is my TradingView account. Feel free to follow me, Jetly232. I do post trade setups as well occasionally, and you could make use of that as well. Okay, so let's get to the point. I do have my top 6, I think, yeah, top 6 or 7 pairs which I'll be looking at. Definitely gold is something that I'm really keeping a close eye on. I'll get to that towards the end. So right now we have CHFJPY. Look at the well, as you all know, I don't really use any sort of indicators and all that. For CHFJPY, what do we see? We see a bigger bull flag. Inside that there is a small falling wedge pattern as well. So this gives us a picture of a pattern within a pattern. So what are we looking at? Say, look, this is 1, 2, 3, and I'm expecting a break and go up. Okay, so we just need to wait for the perfect setup to happen, and then we enter the trade. We're just keeping it that simple. No fuzzy chart, no messy charts or anything of that sort. The next pair would be EURCHF. Again, what do we see? We see a falling wedge pattern over here. If you notice, it's a falling wedge pattern, and now it broke out. So what are we expecting? A bull flag, and then all the way up. This would be your first target, this would be the second target, and this would be the third target. So we're definitely looking up at least to reach here. We don't focus, as you all know, we don't focus much on 10 or 20 pip. So this gives you a solid 80 pip of profit. So let's see how it works out. Hopefully this new year gives us a good return. Though last year was not bad, we did have a really good solid setups that really gave us a breakthrough of close to 200 to 300 pips per week. If you check my previous videos, I have already put up the recap and the live trade results as well. The next beautiful pair is NZDJPY. What can we see that's forming? It's forming a bull flag. It's already breaking out for the bull flag, but I'm expecting it to drop one more time and then possibly go up. But not necessarily it has to do that. It could, but look, it could just do this and then drop as well. So it depends on the pattern that it forms, but as of now our overall bias is to go long. So it could just do this for one more touch and then go up. So that is where we will be interested in entering the trade. I just feel free to join my Telegram channel, PatternsFx. I'll keep the link below in the video description of the video, so that you can possibly gain from the free signals that are sent. Next is EURCAD, another really solid setup that's forming here. If you notice, what is it doing? It's forming a falling wedge pattern like this, 1, 2, 3, and we're waiting for the break and impulse, correction, and impulse, and all the way up. So we're mainly focusing on to pretty much get about 146 pips in profit. That's what our target is. Well, it's just start of the week, and there are so many good solid setups that's forming. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it plays out. once the London session opens, like in I think it's almost 11:30 a.m. in Dubai right now. So I think by 12 p.m. The London session will start, Dubai time. Alright. Okay, next one is NZDCAD. Though it's not fully developed, there is a gap that's happened, so that could possibly mess our pattern, but we could potentially look for something of this sort. And what I'm looking at is what I'm looking at is it's just self-explanatory. What is it forming? It's forming a bull flag, and to go higher up. So this we are mainly expecting it to go at least 108 pips of profit, and we would look to scale in more and more trade setups into it. And last one would be Bitcoin, like it's being everyone's favorite and is giving us the next setup to enter the trade. It's forming a clear bull flag. There is no doubt that it's going to shoot up, just that we don't know when, and we plan on to take it and probably capitalize on it as well and make good profits out of it, good returns. We have S&P 500 actually, just waiting for that setup to happen, and then we are going in strong in it. And the last one would be gold. What am I looking at? Gold. I'm looking to short the gold, but not yet. It's not yet ready. I'm just waiting for it to possibly just do this, reach there, form a pattern, and then drop. This is what I'm probably looking at, and I'm sure it will hopefully it will happen. Let's see how it goes, but if it decides to go above it and go long, that's still fine. We still look at the pattern that's forming and we still take it long from there. But as of now, I'm looking to short this pair, and hopefully we'll be able to capitalize on it. At least the minimum would be this move, and then it goes all the way down. Alright, so feel free, this is just going to be a short video. Feel free to join my Telegram channel, PatternsFx. I'll keep the link below. And if you like the analysis, it's really simple and easy analysis. There's no indicators, no sort of mess on the chart. It's just plain price action. That's all. There's nothing else. We just use patterns and we just place it. Usually the trades that we take is the trade that usually stays for about 3 to 4 days. I'm a swing trader, and that's given me so much of time to focus on my other lines of potential sources of income. So feel free to subscribe, and please hit the like button if you like it, and also comment below to know what sort of pairs do you want to see analyzed, and I'll be more than happy to analyze that for you in the following video. Okay then, have a good day guys.